Hi, I'm Dustin Abbott, and since this week we're talking about telephoto lenses, I thought I would give you a quick review, kind of a bonus review this week of a relatively inexpensive carbon fiber monopod here, which is something obviously that's very handy, and so I wanted to show you full extension height. Obviously too tall for even someone like myself. I'm 6'1", 185 centimeters-ish in that range, and so you can see that there's plenty of height for someone that is my height as a part of this. This is a monopod that you can get right now for just right over $80. And that is without a head. You can get one with a head if you want to have the ability to tilt and have a little bit more control of that on there. You can get that for right under $90. Now, as it's configured right here, it can support a weight of 26 pounds, and so that's roughly around 11 kilos or so, 12 kilos, somewhere in that range. And so obviously it can support a payload that's probably heavier than any kind of camera lens combination that you're going to throw on there. So not a concern at all. And of course, the monopod itself is extremely lightweight, being made out of carbon fiber. It's only half a kilo, 1.1 pounds by itself, and so it's extremely light. And as you can see, it folds down very compact as well. So let's take a closer look hands-on, and then we'll double back and give you a verdict on it at the end. So everything comes in a nylon carry case with a drawstring here that you can tighten down to close everything in. Now the monopod itself is, when it's fully retracted, it is 16.7 inches in length, and that's 42.4 centimeters, and it can extend out to a maximum height of 64.7 inches or 164.3 centimeters. So let's take a quick look at our features here. First of all, it's designed, of course, to where you can quickly and easily break. Break. When I say that break, I mean quickly loosen, unlock this. And so any of these, they move easily. They're very rigid once they are tightened back down. Down here at the bottom, we have a retractable spike. And so if you're working where you want stability and be able to kind of poke down into snow or some kind of dirt similar surface for extra stability, you have the option of doing that, or you can cover that up with the rubber foot instead. There is obviously a padded foam grip here that also is a little more gentle on your hands if you're working in cold conditions. There is a kind of combination carry strap. It is also a belt strap, and so you can hang it from your belt. It also comes with an attachable kind of tool section if you want to carry along Allen keys for various purposes there as well. Now, one other interesting feature is here at the top. Right now, as you can see, I've got it set up on the 3/8, and so that way you can go right to the bottom of a camera, or in this case, I'm going right on to like an L bracket type thing. You also have the option of purchasing it with a head, tilt type head, if you want to use that. But then the other cool thing here is that you can just, using kind of a toolless system, you can actually reverse all of this. And so if you want to go to a 1/4 inch head, depending on what kind of setup you've got, and also it's very easy to remove the strap by doing that. You can just go to the other side and then reverse everything, tighten it back down, and voila, you're ready to go this other way. And obviously you've got a standard plate for mounting a head on there as well. So what's the verdict? Well, I mean, at the end of the day, this is a fairly simple and straightforward type design. I mean, there's only so much to get wrong here. However, what my experience says is that it all comes down to the engineering in the locks and in some of the little touches, like being a toolless type design that makes it practical and useful in the field. And so it's basically what I'm looking for in a monopod, in that it's strong, it's sturdy, it's lightweight, and it has plenty of height adjustment to it. The fact that you can clip it onto a belt if you're just wanting to carry it along, or the fact that it's very lightweight means that it's something that's easy to bring along if you're going out into the bush. And if you're carrying a big camera lens combination, you don't want to add more weight anyway. So something like this could be indispensable for giving you an extra bit of stability when you're following action with a telephoto. But it's also handy too to just take that weight off of your shoulders or your arms, however you're carrying the lens combination. And so certainly is a very practical tool to have. If you would like to purchase one for yourself or take a closer look, I'll throw linkage to it. You can get it through B&H Photo, and as I mentioned, you can get it right over 80 bucks right now. So take a look at that. There's also linkage there to follow me on social media, to sign up for my newsletter or become a patron. And of course, if you haven't already, please click that subscribe button right here on YouTube. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.